What's up, guys? Just now tuning in. We're getting ready to get this started here in just a second. You guys are looking at Shane's Grand Dam. We're going to show you a little demo here. What this consists of is two original AQ HDC4 12s. Zeb, what is this, like number 1 and 2 off the assembly line, or 3 and 4?
I didn't even look. It's 1 and 2. 1 to 4.
Okay, yeah. Zeb had the first 4 HDC4s off the assembly line, and these two are one of the first 4 ever produced. What's up, Christopher Russ? DJ Rusticle's in the house, in the hizzy. But yeah. So, anyways. Here's what we got going on here, guys. 2 HDC4 12s, big old ported box. Trunk's not sealed off yet, of course. All GP OFHC pure copper wire. So there's that. This is all powered off of a single Northstar SMSAGM220 with a stock alternator. And we have not done the big 3 yet because we gotta go make one tomorrow. We're just running out of time today. And this is powered by, there's 81 people watching. This is powered by a powerbass 4K wired at 1/4 ohm. Stock alternator, single Northstar SMSAGM220, powerbass 4K wired at 1/4. So, I think we could go ahead and get this demo started here. Yep.
I keep shaking and I can't stay focused. How the fuck if you niggas ain't noticed? But I gotta run your nose. I just bought me a water bottle, chug that down, but I thank God I need me some more. And I keep nigga passing that straight.
All right, so that's just the beginning. This still needs to be sealed off. I don't have my meter with me. It's in California. It'll be back next week. So Mike's using it out there in Cali. But so once this is sealed off, it'll be a whole different story. It'll actually be loud once it's sealed off. But so anyways, yeah, what you just saw there was a single Northstar SMSAGM220 running a powerbass 4K wired at 1/4 ohm. Stock alternator, stock underhood battery. All GP OFHC pure copper wire, made in the USA. So anyways, guys, appreciate you guys tuning in. This video will be finishing up here in a second. Let us know if you guys have any questions in the comments. You guys take care. Thanks for watching. Oh, visit us at gpcaraudio.com.